Hello everyone, so today we're in Pull Apart. This is where you come and fish. So today we're looking for this starter. It's a Delco Remy. It's for a 2006 Silverado. All the Delco Remys have the same size, so we could get it like most from any Chevrolet. What we're gonna do right here is we're gonna try to help the owner save some money. It's about like a $260 starter. We'll be getting here. We'll be finding it here for maybe around 40-50 bucks. So this is just one part of the Pull Apart. Right over there in the back we got more, and right on the sides too. So there's a place where we're gonna come and find the starter and get a solution for this 2006 Silverado. Have an excellent day. So we're finished with our starter. This is the one we brought from Pull Apart. So we opened it up and we gave it a good maintenance. We put new grease, we washed it, we checked all the components inside, and we're ready to try it out in the battery by itself. And it worked so well, like a new one. So it's a new, good use piece starter, Delco Remy. And well, this is the old one. Don't got no much on it. So maybe we'll be putting it back on core, or we just be throwing it away. We'll see what we do with it. But this is the good one. And it's gonna work just like a new one. And less price. So this is a 2006 Silverado Avalanche. So we installed that starter we got from Pull Apart. Like we said, we gave it a good maintenance. We already installed it. It's down there. It's the same one you guys saw yesterday in the video. And we already cranked it up. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up for you guys again. The keys are inside? Yeah. Like I said, you don't need to buy a expensive starter. It worked like new, and it's gonna have the same time and value like a new one. Here we are, the car's running, the truck is running. That'll be it for today.